Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'd like to do is show you how to factor this expression. So basically, by factoring this expression, what we're looking at doing is obviously look for factoring on GCF, which in this case we do not have. So therefore, we see this as a trinomial where a is equal to 1. So when doing a trinomial where a is equal to 1, basically what we want to do is, so we have this in x squared plus bx plus c. All we're simply going to do is take our c here, our b here, determine what two numbers multiply to give us our c, but then add to give us our b. So our c is 14, and our b is negative 9. So to do this, since we know that c is 14, we could have our two numbers that multiply to give us 14 could both be positive, or they could also both be negative. But since they're both adding to give us a negative, you can't have two positive numbers multiply to give you a positive number, but then add to give you a negative, right? So we know that both factors have to be negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the factors for negative or for positive 14, and I'm going to make sure they're all going to be negative, and then I'll just determine, well, which two of these add to give me negative 9. Well, I have negative 14 times negative 1. That obviously gives you 14, but that does not give you negative 9. Then the only other factor I have is negative 7 times negative 2, which, of course, does multiply to give you positive 14 and adds to give you negative 9. So therefore, I write negative 14, negative 2. And now, basically, I can just write those in as my factors as n minus 14 times n minus 2. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I have now factored my expression. Thanks.